You clicked on this video because you're wondering if what you're experiencing is betrayal trauma. Here's what the research shows. Between 30 and 60% of individuals who have experienced romantic betrayal report symptoms like PTSD, anxiety, and depression. And from personal experience, I can relate to these things because unfortunately in my life, I have been cheated on. And along with that infidelity came the ending of my relationship. But what I didn't expect is how much it would shake me to my core. The sense of who I am, my sense of trust and safety, and my sense of self-worth. And if you're experiencing those things, please know that they are completely normal feelings to have after you've gone through a betrayal. Let's get into the 7 signs. Number 1, intrusive thought. You may find yourself replaying memories from the past of previous conversations you were having with your partner, or moments that weren't really congruent, but you just let it go, even though something was tingling inside you and you suspected that something was wrong. Number 2, hypervigilance. Your nervous system is on guard right now, and you are noticing everything around you, and you may be questioning everything around you as well. You may constantly be scanning for clues to see if something like this would happen again, and this is a means to protect yourself, but it also is really emotionally exhausting. Number 3, emotional numbing. You may find yourself emotionally disconnecting in order to cope with the betrayal that has taken place. This could look like ignoring your social supports. It could look like binge watching Netflix. Even though you're not really watching, you're stuck in your head. It could also look like using substances and trying to find ways to get away from those really difficult feelings. Number 4, loss of identity. You may be questioning who you are without the relationship or trust that you once had with that individual. Number 5, self-doubt. You may be second questioning your judgment and your decisions. Number 6, difficulty trusting others. You may find yourself pulling away even from safe people in your circle because your nervous system is so elevated, you're constantly in a state of fight, flight, or freeze. So even safe people can feel dangerous at this time. Number 7, shame and isolation. You may start blaming yourself for the infidelity and what you could or could have done, or what you did or didn't do that may have caused the infidelity or the betrayal. And therefore, because you feel that shame, like you are bad or you are unworthy of an honest relationship, you start to isolate yourself from your support system. If you recognize yourself in these signs, please know it is not a sign of weakness. You're not crazy. These symptoms are actually a very normal response to an abnormal circumstance. If you don't know already, this video is a part of a series I'm creating about betrayal trauma. If you'd like to learn more, check out this video I created up here about betrayal blindness. Next week, I'll be releasing a video on how to soothe the symptoms and signs that you're experiencing regarding betrayal trauma. Take care.